Let's customize what pasting a link from my website does inside of Teams. I'm going to start in Visual Studio because I want to use .NET and C#, but if you are in VS Code and you want to use Node, TypeScript, or JavaScript, we have the Teams Toolkit available there as well. Links for the documentation on getting started with both of those are in the description. All right, so inside Visual Studio, I'll start by creating a new project. I've already installed Teams Toolkit, so I don't have to go through those steps. I'm going to choose the Microsoft Teams app template and go ahead and create a new project. And when I do that, I get this dialog and there's a bunch of different templates for Teams apps. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here and choose link unfurling and click create. Now that the solution is created, the first step is to create a tunnel. Because this is going to be a bot application inside of Teams, we need to have a tunnel so that way Teams can communicate with our locally running project. So we can go up here to debug and go to dev tunnels and create a new tunnel. I'm going to choose my identity and I'm going to name this something. Teams dev, temporary is fine. We're going to need to make it a public access for this, but our bot will be secured behind the bot service. So for local testing, this will be fine. Now that the tunnel is created, I can go ahead and tell Teams Platform to actually create my app and get a new app ID. So I'll right click on my project, go to Teams Toolkit, prepare Teams apps dependencies. This is where you can choose your Microsoft 365 account. So I'm going to choose my developer account and click continue. Once I click continue, then Teams Toolkit is going to go through all the steps defined in this YAML file. Go ahead and create my app ID, my bot registration, and save all those outputs to the environment files here. So we'll start to get all these values start to be filled out. Once it's complete, then I can go ahead and click Start Debugging or F5. My app launched inside of Teams, so I'll go ahead and add it. So our message extension is set up to unfurl links from botframework.com. So if I paste a link from there in here, then I should hit my breakpoint in Visual Studio, and here we are. You can see I've hit this, so I'll go ahead and continue. Go back to Teams, and there is our adaptive card unfurled. So I can go ahead and post that. Now, if you want to change it to be custom for your website, then you can go into the manifest and go down here, and this is where you specify the domains that you're trying to unfurl. So go ahead and create your own adaptive cards. Go ahead and put your website inside the manifest here, and you're ready to unfurl links, and you can design it however you want and get some more context into what you paste. If you learned something, like the video, and I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.